Welcome back to the channel. Out in between the rains here. Just going on with the Fiesta. I was changing the air filter for the engine on a video before. Now changing the pollen filter, the air filter for the air getting into the car. Thus they say is supposed to be in here. So I just have to get some screwdriver and things and start. And see here, it have been opened before. I'm supposed to get this screw to come out a little. There, it's just a clips. There. It seems like these have been not too far gone. Some clips. Just remove here. And then is some screw on there. I'm not sure if it's star or what it is. I picked up some more. Someone had used, like me, star. But it's an Umbraco Torx. Of course, then it's not helping with anything else. There. In here, let's see how this is. At least very dirty in the end there. This is supposed to, I think this is supposed to be white. Could be a carbon also, but straight away when I touch it, it's very dirty and it's wet. Okay. Flow. The old one wasn't able to read which way the flow is going, but I believe it's this way. Ay, ay, ay. How are we supposed to get in there? That was very, very difficult to get it in. Well, luckily it looks like when I got it in, it's moved out as it should. And see on the top side is a plastic piece sticking out. I'll have to get, yeah, I get it up and it feels like it was getting into it right away. And then the Torx. This is AV20. There, it's closed up. Then it's just getting on the side panel again. That have to get on there. There. Then we see where that one's supposed to go, and then center there. So the filter was in there. Yeah, it was very easy to get into it, but problem is the filter had to be pushed in hard sideways and twisted and everything to get up there. It's not the perfect solution. But at least it's back. Some clips in here that was jumping in. This plastic, that was an X star part, and then the one inside there is an Torx AV20. It's down on my tool here, T20. I think it's called from some other. Done. That one should be fixed. Very simple. Few minutes work and you have a new filter. The old one here was very dirty. This is cleaning the air for you when you're driving, what the air you breathe in when you're standing in queue, and yeah, out dirty air. So have a nice filter in here, will help you not becoming sick from all the dirt. So yeah, thank you. Hope this little video could help some. If it helped only one, it would be okay. I'm just trying to make videos to help others because I find so many videos myself that help me. So thank you. Please start following the channel. Please put a like if it's okay for you to learn something and to help you. And please put comments. Thank you.